I guess welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Logitech G435 mic not working. Here you will see I am at the official website of Reddit where the people provide their opinion and solution regarding this. One people says that I just saw the manual user in PDF and in order to fix this is very simple. It called side tone. So it will help you to hear your voice while you are in call. But since we are going to use this headphone for gaming, well make no sense. To disable this just do that. Double press mute button and you can see the LED turn orange color. You can try this thing. This is the one solution provided by peoples. Disable the side tone. For that double press mute button and you can see the LED turn orange color. So you can try this. And the second solution is to go start and settings in your PC. Then click on privacy and microphone. Then click select and allow apps to access microphone because this is the another cause of your problem. Sometimes the necessary permissions of your apps will cause this type of problems. So go to start and settings in your PC and click on privacy and click on microphone. Then select and allow apps to access microphone. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.